Hey, welcome to Design Guy. Ready to spice up your wall art? I'll show you every step to design a poster in Canva. Click Create, then select Custom Size. Set the dimensions to 300 by 300 pixels. Next, add an element by searching for circular frame. Click to insert it into your design workspace. Select the frames you want to use, then choose the circular option. Next, look for dark sky elements to enhance your project. These elements will add depth and contrast to your design. Carefully position the dark sky components within the circular frames to create a balanced look. Adjust the size and placement as needed to achieve the desired visual effect. Save your work when you're satisfied. Search for a dark sky background. Select an image that matches this theme. Next, find and add a moon graphic to complement the dark sky. Position it appropriately to enhance the scene. Use layers to adjust placement and size until the composition looks balanced and visually appealing. Use the arrow keys to move the element into position. Next, add a mountain to your scene. Select the mountain asset from the library, then click to place it where desired. Adjust its size by dragging the corner handles. Use the arrow keys for precise placement. If needed, rotate the mountain by clicking and dragging the rotation handle. To edit colors, open the Properties panel and choose your preferred hues. Once satisfied with the mountain's position and appearance, lock the layer to avoid accidental changes. Repeat similar steps to add more elements, building your scene step by step. This method ensures accuracy and control throughout your design. Use the arrow keys to move the element precisely. Next, let's resize the object by dragging the corner handles to make it larger. You can also add a background color by selecting the element and choosing a color from the palette. Now drag your elements to position them in the center of the canvas. Next, let's add an airplane illustration. Place the airplane outside your main drawing area for better composition. To add more depth, we'll also include some trees near the bottom of the scene. Select the tree icon from the library and drag it onto the canvas. Adjust its size and position to fit naturally within your layout. Remember, you can use the arrow keys for fine adjustments to ensure everything aligns perfectly. Group relate. Thank you for joining. Let's dive in and explore some lake water data together. I'm excited to show you how to access it step by step. First, navigate to the main menu. Then, select the water data section. Next, click on Lake Water Samples. Here, you'll find detailed information and measurements. To share this, click the Share button at the top right. You can copy the link or send it directly to collaborators. This makes it easy to work together on lake water analysis. Now, let's look for a specific lake link and continue exploring the data available. Place this outside, then drop the GoPro circle frame into position to secure it properly. First, select the image you want to edit. Next, add a circular border by choosing the Shape tool and selecting the Circle option. Adjust the size and position of the circle to frame your image perfectly. Then, set the border color and thickness to your preference. Once the circular border looks just right, select both the image and the circle. Right-click and choose the Group option to combine them. Grouping keeps the border and image together, making it easier to move or resize as one unit. This completes adding and grouping the circular border around your image. Click Done to finalize your work. To share, click the Share button and choose Save or Download. Before downloading, increase the size as needed to meet your requirements. Then click Download to save the file to your device. This allows you to save and share your final result quickly and easily. Now you know how to design a digital art poster in Canva-like, and subscribe for more creative tips.